Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can manually check for updates on Windows 11. So here I recommend you to keep updates on Windows 11, especially on Windows security, because virus, malware, adware keep advancing. So you need to update on your Windows 11 system. And also maybe there is some bugs that need to fixes. You need to keep update. So let's start by go to the settings. Here you can click on Windows Update, and here we go. My PC is up to date. Last check it is today. So here and I got this cumulative update preview for Windows 11 is available. This is like I can download or not, I can install or not. It's based on my preferences. If I want to download, if you want to download and install this cumulative update, you can just click this download and install and restart your PC and done. And if you feel you're not up to date, you can click on check for updates and let the process begin, and let the Windows check the updates for you. Just wait for a minute, and after that you can get this cumulative update, so you can download and install this update into your system. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click the button below. See you in the next video.